So we have our rebuild program. That's our program within the PBT Institute for the betrayer. And these are not betrayers who are just on to the next. These are the ones who realize they have shattered the trust and the heart of the person, the people they love the most. They're willing to do whatever it takes to just become someone they're proud of. So there was someone on the call and he said, I know I have a lot to work through in order to just become someone honest and trustworthy and all of these things. And it's okay. And while you are doing that, you're also simply making the decision to not choose those same behaviors again. I think so often we get stuck in this idea that, well, I have to heal all this trauma, and hopefully when I heal all this trauma, I won't be making these same choices and I won't be the same person. It's a very different thing saying, yes, I have to heal all of that, and that version of me is dead and gone, and this version of me just simply doesn't do it. So I told him, if the highest and best version of you wouldn't say it, feel it, eat it, drink it, think it, don't do it. Sometimes we need a non-negotiable rule. So if you're the betrayer and you're trying to become that version of you that you're proud of, make that commitment, make that decision, make that non-negotiable rule. It is just not acceptable. That version of you doesn't act that way, doesn't behave that way. So start that now. Yes, you'll work on all your trauma and everything else that created it, that caused it, all of that. And give yourself no out where it's not like, oh, well, I wasn't through working on everything. No, the decision starts now. It starts with a decision. Join us for a book launch for the Rebuild Roadmap, which is a workbook just for the betrayer. And check my bio. And there's a link in my latest blog post. I talk about it and hope to see you there. You can change. You can absolutely become someone trustworthy, honest, someone that has completely rebuilt themselves and hopefully their relationships too. Follow for more.